In this video, I will show you how to cancel a Verizon line. So to do that, you can simply open up the app or simply go to the Chrome and in the search bar search for My Verizon, then click on it. From here, sign in to your account. After you've done that, you can see various devices that it's connected to. There, simply look for the disconnect option, or you can find the search bar there, search for cancel. After that, simply follow the prompt and then you will be able to cancel a Verizon line. Or the next thing that you can do is simply call up the Verizon customer service number. You can find the number in the internet if you simply search for Verizon customer service. After that, talk with the representative and then proceed to cancel from there. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.